I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You need a Face ID device and the latest iOS. Once you confirm that, open Messages and locate a conversation. Tap the Animoji icon and choose a character to map your face. Make sure lighting is even. Position your face in the frame, keep the camera at eye level, and start with small expressions so the tracking learns movement. Once done, press the record button for up to 30 seconds. You can preview immediately and make sure audio is clear before proceeding. Now focus on execution. Record multiple takes to capture timing and expression. Speak deliberately so lip sync stays accurate. Once recorded, tap the clip to trim start or end points, then duplicate takes to compare variations. You can layer a memoji or sticker and use message effects sparingly to avoid masking expression. When satisfied, export to photos or share directly. Make sure to select 1080p if you need higher fidelity. Finish by choosing a delivery method. Send an iMessage, save to photos, or export to files for other apps. If tracking jitters or mouth lags, reset Face ID or toggle camera permission in settings, then retry after a reboot. Also check for smudges on the lens and increase ambient light. Sharper input yields better tracking. Finally, if audio is out of sync, replace audio track or re-record the clip. Make sure to test playback on the target platform before you finalize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.